Hi, welcome to the wedding of Ashley and Kieron, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose a romantic rose gold colour scheme. The weather allowed for a beautiful outdoor ceremony and dove release to symbolise the couple's love and commitment and to remember loved ones. The reception room was dressed elegantly with rose gold chair drapes and matching table runners, sat beneath tall vase centrepieces holding a floral display. Each guest had a menu, acrylic name placement and personalised iced cookie as a favour. This elegant cake features blush pink and deep red roses, with classic white pillars separating each tier. The top tier includes a gold ribbon, the couple's initials and heart-shaped photo topper. A clear acrylic middle tier glows with fairy lights, adding a magical touch. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Baby, I do. Two coffee dates at dawn and dancing in the rain. Each day beside you show this love would stay the same. Now we're standing face to face with our future in our hands. Everything just feels so right as the world begins to dance. I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. From this moment on till forever comes, every single day I'll choose us, I'll choose love. I do. This is a moment, waiting all my life for you. You're all I see, there's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. First time I saw you smile across the room, my feet moved forward, couldn't help but groove. Something in the way you swayed that night made me believe that timing was right. Spinning faster with each passing day, holding closer, letting music play. Moving forward, never looking back, following this perfect track. Everything on my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain, we kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song, two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Oh. slow dance to this precious chance. All the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. Beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes us feeling true. Round and round as the music plays. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you.
Thanks for watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centrepieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.